Why is DECNO's pallet packaging more reliable?
Every DECNO product passes a strict final protection process before it leaves our factory.
Solid wood fumigation pallet.
Heavy-duty, strong compression resistance, suitable for ocean shipping. Thickened top cover board ensures more stable stacking and safer handling. 5 to 6 industrial pad stripes provides structural stability. Comprehensive corner protection prevents bumps and damage during transportation. Over 20 layers of thickened moisture-proof fill, 5 times the industry average. Each pallet is a promise to our customers: safe, stable, and damage-free upon arrival. DECNO, high-quality flooring and wall panels manufacturer.